A very good evening to everyone. I now call the meeting to order. Can we all raise our right hand for the national anthem, please? Sushil Bhai.
1 minute, 1 minute. I'm sorry, 1 minute. There's some technical glitch. 1 minute on.
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंग
तव शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा
जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
So good evening, baby. Today, we turn 19. Our prestigious club was chartered on 1st May 2002 by a bunch of young enthusiastic members who had a zeal for community service. Friends, we have had a beautiful 19 years journey. We have grown in size, built bonds, strong friendships, we enjoy together, and also we work hard to make this world a better place. Today, friends, we are battling the most difficult circumstances in this pandemic. Friends, we have Rotarians, have to do our bit. In our first drive to fight this pandemic, we have distributed buttermilk to police station in various police stations. And these are the frontline workers who risk their lives to keep us safe. We are in the process of donating around 16 oxygen concentrators to various hospitals which are needy. Friends, the need of the hour right now is to build the required infrastructure for the immense need which is around. Friends, in this pandemic, the real paramedics who manage the COVID patients successfully in the ICU are our nurses. The outcome of the progress of the patients in the ICU predominantly depends on the nurses. the way they manage their patients. Let us support them in our small way. Friends, we plan to donate nutritional supplements to nurses who have tirelessly worked for us. Each packet is costing 600 rupees, and we want to reach out to as many nurses as we can in Mumbai. Friends, let us all do this together. Crowdfunding is the only way we can make this happen. I would like to invite Mr. Ranganathan, who will briefly tell us how this works. Mr. Ranganathan is from Fuel a Dream. Mr. Ranganathan, can you please come forward and explain to us how the whole crowdfunding platform works?
So good evening, everyone, and a very, very happy 19th birthday to all you teenagers, because 19 is the last, and after that, you become older. So thank you so much for the opportunity. I know I have only 6 minutes, so I will stick to that like a clock. So a quick introduction. My name is Ranganath. I'm the founder of this platform called Fuel a Dream. We are based out of Bangalore. I used to be in the corporate world for about 30 years. I'm a 1965 model. Worked with Godrej, Pepsi, Whirlpool in India, Southeast Asia, China. I launched the Hindustan Times newspaper long back in Bombay. I was the CEO of that. And about 6 years back, I realized I was making too much of money. And I decided that really wasn't as exciting as I thought it should be. Had too many villas, had too many penthouses, had too many BMWs. Decided to help people. And 6 years back, I moved to Bangalore, sold everything, started Fuel a Dream. And what we do is we use crowdfunding to make a difference and make the world a better place. If you can just enable screen sharing, I have, oh yeah, perfect. So I will quickly, take you through a very quick 4-minute presentation telling you about how crowdfunding works. So if you look at the word crowd and funding, a large number of people coming together. And if you look at a dining table with 4 legs, even if one leg is weak, the entire dining experience is a nightmare. Similarly, crowdfunding, there are 4 elements which go into it: storytelling, communication, technology, and consumer behavior. These 4 have to come together. And even if one is missing, the whole experience is not as exciting as it should be. So there is a massive science in crowdfunding. And what do I mean by a science? If you look at 8 out of 10 Indian women and girls and look at your first names, including all the ladies on this group, your first names, 8 out of 10 of you all end with AEI. So 80% of Indian women and girls have names ending with AEI. And the science to it. If you don't know the science, it's very complex, but once you know the science, it's very simple. So the same thing with crowdfunding, there's a science to it, and we teach crowdfunding. So we make great stories, we get you on board, we train you all, and then it's very, very easy to manage campaigns. So we've been up and running for about 5 years. We've raised about close to 50 crores already. So if you look at a Rotary or an NGO, and let us say you want to come together and do something called a volunteer-driven group format, because we have different formats, this is one of them. Now we do this with school students, we do it with corporates, we do it with volunteer groups, we do it with Rotarians. Each person comes together, they might have a goal of, let's say, 50,000 each. Some of them, if their CEOs, want to have goals of 5 lakh each or 10 lakh each. And you can raise anything from 1 lakh to even 10 crores. Next month, we are doing a campaign, for example, with some volunteers, which is possibly a 30 crore campaign, right? So you can do all that. All it takes is 15 minutes of your time. That's it. And you do it for 14 days. Most of you all will spend 15 minutes a day for 7 days, and you will get way, way, way past your goal. But 14 days is the max. You don't need more time than that. That's all it takes to transform lives. This is an example of a live campaign on our platform. So if you go to fueladream.com, you can see Rotary Club of Sobo doing a campaign. There are exactly 37 of them. 34 have started their campaigns. The campaigns are just 4 days old, 96 hours old, and they have raised about 60 lakhs, 34 people. Okay. They all started with 50,000 goals. So if you look at all of them, they started with 50,000, changed the goal, changed the goal, changed the goal. He went to a very high goal because he says, Ranga, I didn't realize it was so easy. But fundamentally, that's what they have done. Okay. And all you do is you attend a 1-hour training session. So the way it works, we first get information from you, your name, telephone number, email ID. Then we work with your team, we create a story, it takes us 24 hours to do it. And then all of you all come and have a 1-hour training session with us. After the training session is over, we launch all the campaigns. And all campaigns are on a single page. So for example, if I look at this campaign, so this is actually a live campaign. I hope you can see the screen moving on your, you can see it. So this is a live campaign, and this is what they've raised, 59.62 lakhs. If you take this Rotarian, her name is Mahera. If I just go to her campaign and take a look at it, you will see that she's raised 1.7 lakhs with a goal of 50,000 in 4 days, because it's a 14-day campaign from 52 people. The story is there, and this is for concentrators. So the story is there. And if you want to find out who's funded her, just click this. 20 minutes back, Sheetal, 7 hours back, Trevor. Everyone can see this. Okay, very, very transparent, very, very interesting, and that's how it works. So that's how simple crowdfunding actually is. There's no rocket science once you learn it. Okay. It's quick, it's transparent, and most important, it's not just about raising funds, because when you do crowdfunding, the awareness you create for your club is massive, because suddenly a lot of people get to know that Bayview is doing this. The cause you picked is very relevant. You know, frontline workers, nurses, supporting them, you know, it's something perfectly fine. And we work with about 20 Rotary clubs across the country. We've raised over 10 crores for them. And trust me, 5 years down the line, 80% of any fundraiser Rotary does in India, at least the big ones, will be crowdfunding, because that's the way to go. So that's all I have to say. I won't take more time. Yeah, thank you so much. And you know, we'll take this discussion forward. You all have a wonderful evening. You have some exciting games planned, I can see, so I won't come in the way. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ranga. Guys, we'll take this forward after the game. Over to you, Jitin. Let's start the.
So I'll leave. Happy birthday again to all of you all. Have a wonderful session. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ranga. Over to you, Jitin. Jitin?
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, perfect.
I took a small break when that was going on. Sorry. I have nothing. I think Sushil Bhai will take it over and let the game begin. Let's all enjoy.
Hey, hello everybody, and many happy returns of the day. Charter night is a wonderful night. It's evening right now, but I can see Tia has a very good background of the night. Wonderful charter night over here, and let's see. Jitin bhai, can you make my laptop as co-host so that I can share my game?
I think I did, anyways. One minute. My computer is acting a little funny.
Okay,
So it is on your name, Sushil?
Sushil laptop.
Okay, got it. Make co-host.
So Aditya is already in party mode.
Okay,
So hello everybody. Can you please unmute and say hi?
All are muted.
All are muted. Yes, that's the funda. आज गेम में यही होने वाला है कि आप सबको हम म्यूट मोड पे रखने वाले हैं, and only the captains would get the chance to be unmuted whenever their turn comes. Okay, so over to the game. Welcome everyone to the Charter Day celebration, and यहाँ पर आज we are coming up with a game which is very famously called as KBC. It's famously called as KBC. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? बता आज का थीम है कौन बनेगा चार्टर किंग. And let's welcome all the participants with a round of applause. All the past presidents and current presidents, maybe zordar taliya for them. And let's have the few instructions before we start. Everyone will be kept on the mute mode during the game. You shall get a chance to unmute when needed. Though the game is majorly played by the pre-decided teams, but the audience also gets a chance to answer in between the rounds. So audience, be alert whenever you feel We have disabled the chat box for everybody, so there will be no messages on the chat box. For the audience, you have to raise hand virtually. So can the audience virtually raise hand? We'll see who is the fastest. Raise her hand. No, that is on screen. Tejal Bin, virtually. Yes, 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 yes. So we can see that 3 participants have raised the hand, and fastest was Manish Bayani. So if you don't know how to raise the hand virtually, I will just guide you how to do it. If you are on a laptop or a PC, on the bottom, there is a icon called reaction. So you go there, in the reaction, you have got raise hand option. And for other people who are on mobile, you have an option in more. You have to go in more with 3 dots, and then you have option of raise hands. Okay, so that will be when the audience time comes. Right now, yeah, we have got 9 participants with raising hands. Wonderful. So let's do a trial. Raise hands, everybody. And that is only from the audience. Wonderful. So Captain Pawan, you are not in the audience, so you did not raise the hands. You will get the directions. Okay, so talking about KBC rounds, there are 8 rounds. 3 rounds are related to our club, that is Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview, and 5 rounds are general, that can be GK, sport, politics, entertainment, film, anything. And as the round resumes, and when we proceed in the round, you will get points accordingly, and the raising points will be there. So every round has different point system. So I will explain you how to play. That is a very important thing, how we are going to play this game. The questions in the each round will be asked team wise. So we don't have passing. Either you get the points or you don't get the points. We will show the questions on the screen. Then we'll have 1 by 1 4 options A, B, C, D. And once the 4th option, D option comes, the timer of 30 seconds will start. And you have to select in that 30 seconds the option. You can discuss, all the teams have their WhatsApp group, you can discuss and answer. But once the 30 second is over, you will not get time to discuss. Okay. Immediately we will meet you once the 30 second is over. So only the captain has to give the answer. So only the captain will be unmuted whenever their chance comes. So you will know when is your chance. We will tell you the whose team chance it is. Okay. Next, we have only one lifeline, which can be utilized only twice during the entire game. Only twice. Okay. That lifeline is 50-50. After opting the 50-50 options, 2 of the options will be out and 2 will be remaining on the screen, and immediately 15-second timer will start. So suppose if you are opting 50-50 in the original timer at 15 seconds, then also the 15 seconds will come. If you are opting in last 5 seconds, if you say 50-50, then also you will get 15 seconds. So that's an additional 15 seconds. If you are opting for 50-50 in the start only at say 25 seconds, then you will not get 25 seconds plus 15 seconds. It is only 15 seconds after 50-50 options. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please raise your hands. If you have any doubts, captains and the team members, if any doubts, any questions, you can raise the hand. Wow, no questions at all. Yes, Pawanji. Pawanji, you need to raise virtual hand. Okay, always raise virtual hand so that we can see you. Yes, yes, Pawanji, वापस unmute कीजिए. Pawanji, you are on mute.
No,
Yeah.
it's okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Pawanji. Yes.
Yeah, our club name is Rotary Club of OF, Bombay Bayview.
Sorry, Rotary. Okay.
There's a spelling error now.
Yeah, it's okay, fine. So ignore that. Thank you, Pawanji, for this. So let's right now ignore this spelling error. It's of Bombay Bayview. Thank you, Pawanji. So that is a smart person. Captain Pawan is very smart observation. Thank you very much. And so let's go ahead with the rules. 100 points for the first round. Okay, so this is the first round. This is the first round. Here, the team number 1 will start. Okay, and then we'll go sequence wise, team 2, team 3, team 4, and then the audience. Okay, the topic is general. The topic is general. So this is not a Rotary related topic. Okay, so let's start with the team 1. Can we unmute the captain team 1? Sunny? Team 1 captain, unmute karo.
Hello.
Hi, Captain Tia. How are you?
Excellent. Thank you. I hope
So-
everybody understands my team name, the Three Musketeers, like the Three Musketeers.
It's like Three Musketeers. The 3 must get beers. Wow, that's great. So the party mode is on in the team 1, and
100%.
all the team 1 members, please show a thumbs up. Are you there? So that Tia can see. Can you raise hand?
Hemang, Jay, Sanjeev. I think they're all there. They're very excited.
Yeah, they are all there, right? So you have got your WhatsApp group. Just be on your WhatsApp group. Tia, you need to watch your WhatsApp group. Wonderful. So let's go with the first round, a general knowledge round. First question for team 1. Which is the hardest substance in the human body? Which is the hardest substance in human body? Very simple question. हमारे सबके पास है ये. Let's see the options. And once the fourth question, Tia, you need to be unmuted. Don't
Oh, I'm
mute
sorry.
yourself.
Oh,
Yeah?
okay. Yep, yep, yep.
Okay. So, which is the hardest substance? And your 4 options are kneecap, fingernail, skull bones, and the 4th option is tooth enamel. Your timer has started.
I'm just waiting on my teammates, but I have an answer. I'm gonna go with D, tooth enamel.
I heard D, tooth enamel, and let's see if your answer is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer, and team 1 gets 100 points for this. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Thank you, Tia. Thank you very much. And now, team 2, it's your turn. So can the captain of team 2 be unmuted? Sunny? Team 2 captain, can you please unmute yourself? Pawanji?
Hello.
Hi Pawanji, are you there?
नहीं आवाज कम हो गया इसका.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
बोल रहा है ना वो.
Yes, Pawanji. Pawanji?
Can you hear?
Yeah, right now we can hear you.
Can't hear you.
Pawanji,
Can you hear us?
yes, we can hear you.
I can't hear you. Your voice is very less.
Yeah, okay. So on the screen, the question is there. Can you see the question? Which of this
I can see the
actress,
question.
which of this actresses has never married to sports person?
Yeah.
Okay, and the first option, Sharmila Tagore, Mumtaz, Reena Roy, and Sangeeta Bijlani. Your timer has started.
Mumtaz. B.
Wonderful, fast answer. Mumtaz is what I heard. Let's see if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer. Wonderful. You get 100 points for this. Kya baat hai? And now it's team 3. Captain, team 3, can you please unmute yourself? Sanjay ji.
Yes, Sanjay here.
Hi, Sanjay bhai. All the best. And your question.
Yes.
On which city was the first atom bomb dropped?
Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
And the options are Hiroshima, Tokyo, Okinawa, Nagasaki.
Either Hiroshima or Nagasaki, no?
So Sanjay bhai, what
Okay,
your team is
Hiroshima,
telling?
Hiroshima.
Hiroshima, final answer, lock kiya
Yes.
jaye. Hi,
Yes, yes.
team. Absolutely right answer. That is Hiroshima. And team 3 gets 100 points for this. Wonderful. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए.
Easy, huh?
Thank you, thank you. And now let's move on to team 4. Captain team 4. Yasif ji, please unmute yourself.
Hi.
Hi, all the best. We cannot see your
Thank
video.
you.
Yeah, hi, we can see now. Yeah. So your question. Who was the first Muslim president of India? Very simple. लगता है लेकिन googly है. So let's see the first option. Abdul Kalam Azad, Maulana Azad, Fajruddin Ali Ahmad, and Zakir Hussain. Captain
It is D. Zakir Hussain.
Okay, and answer D. Let's check if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer. That's Zakir Hussain, and you get 100 points. So all the teams have got 100 points. And let's now pass this question to the audience. The fifth question to the audience. Audience, are we ready? So once the fourth option comes, raise your hands. Sunny, please look at the participants list. Who is raising the hand first? You can unmute him or her. And the question is...
1 minute, Sushil. 1 minute.
Yes,
One
yes.
Okay, so now for the audience, there are 10 prizes. So I hope Sushil Bhai has prepared 10 prizes, and the prizes are sponsored by CP Jayesh Vidani and Nimish Shroff. So just wanting to know, there are 10 prizes, 10 hampers.
Thank you. So 10 hampers to be won. And let's see who's doing fastest finger. Okay, can I twist one thing over here, Jitin bhai? Can we twist?
Yeah, you are the host. You take it over.
Yeah. So once, suppose one participant gives the answer, he will not get chance to give the second answer if he gets a prize. So एक audience में से सिर्फ एक person को एक ही prize मिलने वाला है. Okay. So every राजेश भाई पहले से ही हाथ ऊपर नहीं करना है. That's cheating. Any question? No. Chalo. Ready? The question. What is the equivalent of 0 degrees centigrade on Fahrenheit scale? So, who's first? Kalpesh and Urvi, please can you unmute yourself? Kalpesh bhai. So he has raised the hand without seeing the options. Let's see. Kalpesh bhai, are you there? Okay, Kalpesh bhai is not there. Let's go for the next participant. Manishi. Yeah, Kalpesh bhai has come. Sorry, Manishi. Kalpesh bhai, please unmute yourself.
32 degree.
He has got the answer without the option. Let's see if it is there in the option. 132 degrees, 0 degrees, 100 degrees, and 32 degrees. So let's see if the answer 32 degree is right or wrong. That's absolutely right. So Kalpesh ji, you get the first hamper for this. Jordar taaliyan. Thank you very much, Kalpesh ji, and you will be muted again. So now you don't get the chance to win another hamper. Okay, so enjoy the evening. Okay, so let's move on to the next round, round number 2. Yes, and the round number 2 is starting again with team number 1, but now this time we have RCBB as the quiz. Okay, so Jitin bhai, are you ready? Just show a thumbs up. After every question, Jitin bhai will be talking some things about RCBB. So this round is the second round with 200 points, starting with team number 1. So captain team number 1, can you please unmute yourself, Tia?
Sup.
Yes. कौन बनेगा? Starter team का second round start with question number 1 in the second round. Captain, the question is, yes, in which president's year did RCBB launch the Little Hearts project? In which president's year did RCBB launch the Little Hearts project? And the options are PP Hemang, PP Tia, PP Anand, or PP Sanjay Jalan. Your timer has started. You got 10. You got time.
Okay, we're gonna go with C. PP Anand Mane.
C. PP Anand. Are you sure? And let's see if it's right or
God, I thought you
wrong.
were wrong.
It's the wrong answer. The right answer is Sanjay Jalan. Yes. So what's the story behind this?
So the Little Hearts project started in past President Sanjay Jalan's year, and a surgery of 2 lakh rupees was done in 25,000 rupees by us.
That's wonderful. So round of applause for Rotary Club of Bombay View. Bombay Bay View ke liye zordar taaliyan for wonderful job they are doing. Thank you, Smita. Thank you very much. And now let's move on to team 2. Captain Pawanji, please unmute yourself. Yes.
Yeah,
Can you say something?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay. And question number 2, round 2, question 2 for 200 points. Let's see. How many members did Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview charter with? How many members did Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview charter with? And the options are 37, 39, 45, or 49. Yes, Captain. 15 seconds to go.
49.
I heard
49.
49 option. Option D is what I heard, 49. And let's see. It's the wrong answer. Again. It was 39. Oh my God, Pawanji, really sorry. So again, I will request all the participants to say the option number also, D49 or C39, B39 or C49. It will be more clear. Okay, so what has Smita to tell about this?
RCBB was chartered in 2002-2003 with 39 members, and by the end of the year, we were 49 members.
Oh, so the closure was 49, not the start.
So
Thank you, Smita. Thank you very much for the insight. And let's move on, team number 3. Sanjay ji, please unmute yourself.
Yes, very much in. Let's go.
Great, sir. Rocking captain over here. Let's see what he has to do. Who was the president when Rotary Club of Bombay View got its first global grant? Who was the president when Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview got its first global grant? Okay, and the options are
This is our own global grant, right?
its first global grant. So it's a question. So no clarification on that. The first option, PP Yasir, PP Sandeep, PP Rajneesh, या PP Sanjay Jalan.
No, so just one clarification. Yeah, the first global grant done by our club was in my year.
So this is the question.
Not partnering with other global grants. So it's the first global grant for our club is in my year, Sanjay Jalan.
Sanjay Jalan is what I heard. The D
Correct.
option.
Yeah.
So let's see.
No.
The wrong. Yasir Fatehi, past president.
Partnering one then.
Yeah. So let's see more details on this.
Yeah, that's what I thought as well.
Yeah, Smita, you need to say something or
I think this was done in past President Sanjay Goenka's year, if is what I understand.
No, Smita, that's a different question.
yeah. So it's
This is Yasser Fatehi, and this project was in Leh, where they did did furniture for the school. So
Okay.
this answer and this question both are right.
Okay, perfect.
great, Smita. Thank you very much. And let's move on to the next question, team 4. Yasir ji, past president Yasir Fatehi, please unmute yourself.
Hi.
Yes,
Yes,
I
go on.
glad to hear your name in
Thank
this
you.
question.
Thank you.
And the question for you is, which was the meeting venue of Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview in the charter year? Which was the meeting venue for Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview in the charter year? And the options are Bombay Gymkhana, YAA Club, WIA Club, sorry, Shalimar Hotel, or Police Gymkhana.
I'll go with D, Police Gymkhana.
I heard D, Police Gymkhana, and let's see if the answer is right or wrong. Let's see. Right answer. जोरदार तालियां for team number 4. So ये round में शायद only team number has 4 given right answer. बाकी सब team को points नहीं मिले. So team number 4 has obviously taken lead. जोरदार तालियां for team number 4. And now it's time for the audience question. So audience ready to show a thumbs up? Okay, you have to raise the hand, and once we take the name, if you don't answer, we will immediately shift the next person. Okay, you will not be unmuted. So question is, in which year did RCBB hold its first ever fundraiser? In which year did RCBB hold its first ever fundraiser? And the options are, okay, we have got a hand raise from OnePlus Nord. I'm not sure. Please unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
I like to have the all the 4 options.
No, you cannot get the 4 options. Sorry, sir.
Samir
You have
Javeri.
raised hands.
Samir Javeri.
We are asking the year, sir, and you are telling Samir Javeri. Sorry, it's a wrong answer. Captain Pavan, you are not allowed in this. So the next was Jayesh Bhai. You are also not allowed. It's for audience. Sorry. So let's see the response. Okay, Samir here. Samir is here. Samir has raised the hands. Samir, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, it was
Samir?
2018.
2018 is what I heard. Let's see if your answer is there in the options. 2, 10, 11, 2, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 5, 6. Your option is not there. I'm really, really sorry. And the right answer is 2004. I'm really sorry, Zagaji. Yes. So, what are the insights of this fundraiser?
So under past President Pawan Barassia's year, the first fundraiser was conducted where Jagjit Singh performed at Nehru Center.
Wow. And do we have the figure of the fundraise that year?
Pawan, can
That
you?
probably Pawan can give some insight if he wants.
Yeah. So Pawan has raised the hand. Pawanji, can you please unmute yourself?
7 lakhs.
7 lakhs. Yes, wonderful.
We saved
Zordar
7
talia,
lakhs.
Pawanji.
7 lakhs after
Okay.
deducting all the expenses.
Okay. So the net collection was more than 7 lakhs.
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay. So that's the end of this round, and let's move on to the next round. Next, move on to the third round, and after the third round, we will see the scores on the screen. Yes, team 2. Now we are going to start with you. So, Captain Pawan, this is the third round. It's a general knowledge round, and team 2 has to start. Then team 3, then 4, then 1, and then audience. So let's see. Round number 3, question number 1. ये क्या है? Which of these Hindi film did not star a former Miss India? Which of these Hindi films did not star a former Miss India? Okay. Yes, Pawanji, and the options are Vastav, Dastak, Sarkar, and Partner.
Dastak.
I heard
Sorry, hello.
Dastak.
Sorry, there are 2 Dastaks, so there are 2 movies of Dastak. Actual answer is Sarkar.
Can you give the options?
Yeah, 3 C.
C, Sarkar is what I heard. Let's see if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer, Pawanji. You get 300 points for it. Yeah, Bhabhi ji is helping you, or WhatsApp group is helping you?
नहीं, Bollywood में Pawan is king.
Wow, super, Pawanji, super. That is right, absolutely right answer, and the option.
I have only
you
one
have
question.
selected is
Sorry.
right. Yeah.
Can I
Yeah.
just interrupt? See, there are 2 Dastaks. Like in one there is, and in one there is not. So there is a confusing option.
Yeah, I know, but Sarkar absolutely has not there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the option why we have selected. Great job. Good knowledge, encyclopedia of Bollywood. Thank you. And now, question for team 3, Sanjay ji. Can you please unmute yourself? Yes. Question is, in which sport is the Rover Cup awarded? In which sport is the Rovers Cup awarded? And the options are tennis, football, hockey, or golf. Football is your selection, and let's see if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer. You get points for this. Wonderful. Zalia. Team 4, can you please unmute yourself?
Yep.
Yes, Yasser ji, and your question is, what are Shadaj, Madhyam, Pancham, and Nishad names of? Shadab, Madhyam, Pancham, and Nishad. These are the names of options. Yogasan, dance mudras, musical swars, या mangoes.
It is C, musical swar.
C, musical swars. Let's see if it is right or wrong. And it is the right answer. You get 300 points for this. Wonderful teamwork. आपकी टीम में आंसर आया लगता है.
Yes.
Great. You have a very good team. Good job
Thank
done,
you.
sir. And let's move on to the the first team. That is Tia, Captain Tia. Can you please unmute yourself? Yes, yeah.
Ready.
Are we ready to go? In an ektara, the instrument ektara, what is the resonator usually made of? In the ektara, what is the resonator usually made of? And the options are pumpkin, clay, coconut, or it's plywood.
Okay, let's go with it. I'm gonna go with a pumpkin because I
A
played
pumpkin is what I heard. And let's see. It's the right answer.
That's why.
Pumpkin. Wonderful. That's pumpkin, and pumpkin is used usually. Sometimes, yes, wooden is used, but majorly it is pumpkin. Okay, and now it's time for audience. Are we ready to raise the hands? And the question
1
is-
minute, Sushil. I'll
Yeah,
just
yeah.
interrupt.
Yeah.
Can you clear all the hands first? Because what
They are
happens
clear.
पहले
They
से
are
किसी
clear.
के
They are
हाथ
clear.
raise किए हुए
नहीं,
so
they are clear.
lower everybody's hand and
Yes,
then
yes,
you
yes.
do. Okay?
Yes,
First
yes.
lower everybody's hand.
Yeah. That's what we are already doing. Thank you. Which is the lightest chemical element? And we have got Jay Darshan, team members not allowed. Zamir, please. Unmute yourself, Zamir. Hydrogen. So let's see if it is there in the option or not. Hydrogen is there in the option. Helium, oxygen, or nitrogen. And let's see if hydrogen is right. Absolutely right answer. That's right. So I would request all the participants, please do not raise the hands. Please do not raise the hands here. Okay, all the participants who are playing the main game, please do not raise the hands. It's little disturbing. Thank you. Okay, so can we move on to the next round and the fourth round? So score दिखा देंगे कि नहीं दिखाना है? दिखा देते हैं scores. दिखा देते हैं scores. So let's see what the scores are like. So Urmi is going to say the scores. Urmi is telling थोड़ा surprise रखते हैं. Let's move on to the So we are continuing the round. There's some technical glitch. Let me check out the glitch. So let's move on to the next round. Let's move on to the next round, the fourth round over here. And the fourth round is going to be played starting with team 2, and it is Rotary Club round. Okay, all the best, Rotary Club round. Let's see for team 2. Pawan Ji, please unmute yourself. Okay, ready? Captain Pawan, please unmute yourself. Okay, your question is, which past president got the first independent global grant for RCBB? Which past president got the first independent global grant for the Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview? And the options are PP Anand, PP Sanjay, PP Samir, or PP Yasir.
it's a B. Sanjay Jalan.
B. Sanjay Jalan. Let's check. Absolutely right answer, Pawanji. Congratulations. You get 400 points for this. Wonderful. Let's move on to team number 3. Team number 3, Captain. Yes, Sanjay ji. And which year did Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview create an endowment fund of US $25,000 to Rotary Foundation? Which year did Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview created an endowment fund of US $25,000 to the Rotary Club Foundations? And the options are: first, is it 2008-9, 2014-15, 2016-17, or is it 2013-14?
endowment fund. हेमंत का देखना WhatsApp पे है. I think it's.
We have also one lifeline which you can use twice.
14-15.
Can you give the option also? B 14-15 is what I am hearing.
Yeah, 14-15.
B 14-15. Let me check if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer, Sanjay ji. Wonderful. You get 400 points for that. And let's move on. To
Wait, Sushil, wait
yes,
after the
yes,
question.
yes. Sorry,
Let
sorry.
Smita.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
Smita
Sushil,
ji.
to have our members know what happened, you know, and the
Perfect.
story behind it.
Sorry, Smita. Sorry. Perfect.
So, friends, this was started in past president Himang Engineers year. One of the very few clubs have these kind of funds set up for them. This has put in an FD and an annual interest of $500 against, if we get this, against which we get DDF. Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful, Smita. Wonderful for the information. I am sure that the newer members will be gaining much today, much knowledge of what Rotary Club Bombay Bayview is and the strength of Bombay Bayview. Let's move on to the next one. Captain Team 4, Yasir is ready?
Yes.
You need to unmute. Yes. Okay, and the question is, Bayview won its first cricket trophy IFCR in the year. Bayview won its first cricket trophy IFCR in the year. Let's see. The options are 2017-18, 2013-14, 2019-20, or is it 2018-19?
I'll go with D 2018-19.
Let's check if D 2018-19 is right or wrong, and it's absolutely right answer. Wonderful, Yasirji, wonderful. So, somebody is there from iPhone raising hand. Sorry, this is not an audience poll. And
Yes.
can you please rename yourself? Yeah. Okay, let's move on to
The
the
story
team.
behind this, Sushil Bhai, the story. behind
Yes.
So this was done under the captaincy of Rotarian Dipen Mashru, and it was in past president Nayan Maskai's year. Move ahead. Now we can move forward.
Yes. Thank you very much. Let's move on to the question number 3 for team number 1. That's question number 4, Tia.
Ready? Nahar.
Which president pioneered the CSR board position? Which president pioneered the CSR board position? And the options are PP Nayan, PP Anand, PP Tia, or is it President Smita Parekh? Captain is waiting for the answer from the team members. Let's see if they
We're
can.
debating. We're debating. There's so many good answers up here.
Yeah, absolutely. You have got time. Don't worry. 15 seconds more.
Okay, I think we have it, and we're gonna go with the President Smita Parekh.
Let's see if Smita Parekh is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer. Wonderful. And Sheetal is happy. And her kid is dancing. Yo, we got a point. That's wonderful. So, Tia, there are fans for your team. In the audience, they are dancing. And now moving to the audience poll.
So the reason for creating this board position is the need of the hour and the projects that we were intending to do this year.
Okay, great. That's right. So moving on to, this was here in the same year, current year?
Yes.
By the president, the current president. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. Smita ji, you are doing wonderful job as a president now. And hope to get more things under your leadership. Thank you very much. Now moving on, audience poll. So again a request. Participants, please do not raise hands. How many members confirm for the Atmantan overnighter? Sheetal ji, please unmute yourself.
How do you unmute myself?
Yeah,
Answer now. We were 120 who had confirmed and 110 had gone there.
Okay, let's see if this is the right answer or the wrong answer. If it is there in the option or not. Let's see. 61, 57, 65 or 63. That's not there in the option. And the answer is right. I'm real sorry. Oh my God! What has?
I'll take that.
Yes.
So we had 57 rooms and 8 Rotarians shared the rooms. So in that way, there were 65 members. But yes, 120 members and spouses, Sheetal, what he said, had confirmed and 110 made it. So you are actually following it. You were right, 120 confirmed and 110 made it. But members who confirmed was 65.
So does she get the prize or not, Jitin bhai? Yes, Jitin bhai, I think we should give her a prize.
Anyway, she's one of the sponsors. So वो क्या घर पे ही prize लेके जाएगी?
Okay, great. Let's move on to the next round. कौन बनेगा Charter King में round number 5. And before that, let's see the scores on the screen. Who's leading? Can anybody tell?
My vote goes for Yasser.
And the scores are Team 1, 800, Team 2, 800, Team 3, 800, and close lead is Team 4. Zordar Talia for Team 4. Wonderful, wonderful. Team 4 is in the lead with 200, just 200 points. So still anybody's game. कोई भी जीत सकता है. Right, Pradeep ji ने तालियां बजाई है for Team 4. Thank you, Pradeep ji. You're in Team 2, but you're just praising the winners right now, leaders right now. Okay, so now moving on to the fifth round is starting with Team 3. The fifth round is starting with Team 3 and the topic is general.
Yes.
Yep. Sanjay ji. The question is general knowledge. And first question. Which Asian country's flag bears people leaves? People leaves.
People leaves.
People, yeah, people. Is it Bhutan? Is it Sri Lanka? Is it Thailand? Or is it Nepal?
Nepal. I will go with Sri Lanka. B, Sri Lanka.
B, Sri Lanka, and absolutely right answer. That's, you get 400 points, 500 points for this. Wonderful. Let's move to Captain Team 4, Yasir ji. Yes, Yasir ji.
Hi.
Which of these Sufi saints is buried in Delhi? Option A, is it Salim Chishti? Is it Muhyiddin Chishti? Is it Haji Ali? Or is it Nizamuddin Aulia?
I will go with D, Nizamuddin Aulia.
D, Nizamuddin Aulia is the right answer. Absolutely right answer. So you get points for this, 500 points, Team 4. Thank you very much. Moving on to Team 1, Tia. Please unmute yourself, Tia. Yes, and the question is, after which festival is Hola Mohalla observed in Punjab? And the options are Holi, Diwali, Baisakhi, or Lori. Yeah, is absolutely confused.
Yeah.
Waiting for the team to help.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix them. They're not fast.
It's okay. We have got time. 15 seconds more.
Okay. I think we're gonna go with A, Holi.
A, Holi. Let's see if it is right or wrong. Yes, the right answer. 500 points for that. And question number 4 is for Team 2. Captain Pavanji, please unmute yourself. Pavanji, please unmute yourself. Yes, Captain. Which of these names means air? Is it Sushil? Is it Pankaj? Samir? Or is it Neeraj?
C, Samir.
C, Samir. That was very fast, Samir. And let's see. Yes, absolutely right answer. Zordar Talia. 500 points for Team 2. And now it's audience pool. So now at the audience, fourth option आने के बाद hand raise करना है. तब तक hand कर रहा नहीं है raise. Okay. So let's see. Sunny is going to check who among this has never been a nominated member of Rajya Sabha. Hima Malini, Jaya Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan, या Shabana Azmi. Yes, Rotarian Dhrumal, please unmute yourself.
Amitabh Bachchan.
I heard Amitabh Bachchan, and let's see if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer. Amitabh Bachchan is the right answer, and Dhrumal gets a hamper for this. Zordar Talia. So 4 participants raised their hands very quickly, and Dhrumal ji, Parekh, congratulations.
Thank you.
आपको आंसर पता था या गेस किया?
भाई बीवी ने बोला.
अरे वाह, किधर है भाभी जी? है, दिख नहीं रहे. अरे वाह, क्या बात है भाभी जी, नमस्ते.
Namaste.
Thank you for giving the answer. And you are sure कि ठोका था ऐसे ही?
Very sure.
Very sure. Wonderful. Great. So let's move ahead for the next round quickly. And 6th round is starting with again Team 3. So can we have Sanjay ji, please unmute yourself? Yes.
600 points. Wow.
600 points, and the question is general knowledge again. So general knowledge में यहाँ पर काफी स्कोरिंग हो रहा है, हमने देखा है अभी तक. रोटरी क्लब में विकेट डाउन हो जाता है. So let's see इसमें 600 पॉइंट्स सब कमाते हैं कि नहीं. And
रोटरी में गूगल नहीं चल रहा है.
Okay. So people were worried कि 30 सेकंड में हम आंसर कैसे देंगे. But it is going very easy. The question is, aboard which space shuttle did Kalpana Chawla go into the space? Is it Discovery? Is it Endeavour? Is it Columbia? Or is it Atlantis? Oh my God. Fast answer by Sanjay ji. Columbia is what I heard, and absolutely right answer. No extra points for that 30 second के पहले without अगर पहले रख सकते थे कि without options if you give the answer you get extra
But
points.
we gave the right answer even though the spelling was wrong, So you should get some extra points for that.
Yes, absolutely you will get it. Absolutely you will get it. Okay, team 4, Yasir ji, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
And your question is, whom did Sonia Gandhi succeed as the president of Congress in 1998? And the options are Pranab Mukherjee, Sitaram Kesari, PV Narasimha Rao, or Sharad Pawar. Yasir is going safe, taking opinion from the team members on WhatsApp.
I will go with B. Sitaram Kesari.
B. Sitaram Kesari is what I heard. And let's see. Absolutely right answer. Yasir has taken his own time. Wonderful playing by the captain. 5 seconds बचा था, आंसर दे दिया, and you get it right. Wonderful. And Tia is angry. भाई क्या हुआ? Why are you angry?
Because his team is leading.
Oh my God. So still you have got 2 more rounds plus this round.
I think only
points.
difference will come when the rotary questions start.
That's what they got right.
Yes. So let's see. Tia,
we're ready.
Your question. Which Hindi film comedian's real name is Badruddin Jamaluddin Qazi? And the options are
Did Jitin gave you these especially for my team?
Mahmood, Jalal Aga, Johnny Walker, yeah, Johnny Lever. I know your team will give the answer. Shitalji, this is not an audience poll. Sorry.
Okay, wait. We have 20 seconds. Okay, we're gonna go with C, Johnny Walker. It's something I usually like to drink, but today we'll take it to me.
Let's see if it is right or wrong. Absolutely right answer. Yep. Okay, Tia, who's sitting next to you?
Huh?
Who's next to you?
No, my phone. I was just saying I also get really funny after drinking Johnny.
Yeah, no, I know, but who's next to you it's very good teamwork.
But my team is amazing.
Yep, great. So let's move on to the audience poll. Thank you, Tia. And okay, we have got team 2. Sorry, team 2, Captain Pawan. Can we unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, the question for team 2, Pawan. In which city was Gandhiji on the day of independence, India's independence? Was it Bombay, Calcutta, Lahore, or Madras?
Calcutta. B Calcutta.
B Calcutta is what I heard. Very fast answer and absolutely right answer. You get 600 points and Mushroom family is clapping. Zor zor se. Kya baat hai? Thank you. Let's move ahead with the audience. Come on, audience. Are we ready to raise hands? Only the audience. No participants. Please do not raise. And the fourth option आने के बाद ही आपको hand raise करना है. So we will see hand raise after the fourth option. Question is, according to Hindu mythology, which of these demons cause all eclipse? Bali, Kumbh, Rahu, या Kesi? And Temina Sharma. Please unmute yourself, Temina.
It's Rahu C.
Rahu C. Let's see if it is right or wrong. Mital is already clapping. It's the right answer. Thank you. And Semina gets the points. I mean the hamper for this. Congrats, Semina.
Thank you.
Great. And the round ends over here. We're not going to show the scores. Let's directly move on to the next round, the round number 7, and it's team 4 is going to start. Yasir, team 4, can you
Yes,
please
I'm
unmute?
here. I'm here.
Great. And it's Rotary Club Bombay Bayview question. So all the best with 700 points to be won. Still anybody's game. Okay, Yasir, your question. On the screen. Which Bayview past president facilitated Padman of India, Arunachalam, Murugananatham? And the options are, is it PP Vinit? Is it PP Rajesh? Is it PP Pradeep? Or is it PP Anita? Ten seconds remaining.
I would like to use 50-50.
Okay, I heard you are going for 50-50 and let's see. And 15 seconds starts.
I take C. Pradeep Kabra.
I heard C. Pradeep Kabra and let's see if it is right or wrong. Yo, absolutely right answer. Good job. Last two questions and you had two chances of 50-50 and you opted for 50-50. Playing safe, Yasir. Wonderful. And let's move on.
Wait, Smita.
Yeah, Smita.
So, past President Pradeep Kabra facilitated the Padman of India.
Yeah, Smita, can you repeat? Because the audio was on music. Can you please repeat?
So, past President Pradeep Kabra facilitated the Padman of India at Nehru Center during a musical fundraiser in 2012-13.
Wow, wonderful. Great. Great story behind the Padman. And now, Captain Tia, can you please unmute yourself, Captain Tia? Yeah, question.
I have a question. How many questions are left? How many more rounds?
There are 2 rounds.
So this round and one more round.
Yep. In which past president's year did Bayview inaugurate the Ladies General Ward at KJ Somaiya Hospital? Was it PP Pawan? Was it PP Kunal? Was it PP Darshan? Or was it PP Sameer?
We're also going to use 50-50.
Okay, great. Let's use 50-50 and see.
We're gonna go with B. Kunal.
Kunal, let's see if B. Kunal is right or wrong. That's right! Yay! It's right, and you get 700 points for this. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great, Smitaji.
Yes. The ladies' ward was renovated at KJ Somaiya in past President Kunal Todarwar's year, and the cost of the project was 20 lakh rupees. This was very well attended and appreciated by the district dignitaries and trustees of KJ Somaiya. Well done. Superb.
Wow, superb, 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 Kunalji. Wonderful job done. And moving on to the team number 2.
Yes.
Yep, Captain Pawan is ready. Which past president pioneered the board retreat? Options are PP Nayan, PP Tia, PP Hemang, or PP Anand.
It's B. Yeah.
B. Tia. Okay, let's see. Absolutely right answer, Tia. Wonderful job. And let's see what Smita has to say about this.
So the board retreat was pioneered in past President TR's year, and we went to Alibag. It was a fantastic trip.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. I also remember we did one event in the captainship of Tia and we had a wonderful game, Ring Till You're Done in Pantakshari. Yes, yeah, yeah, yes, yes, great. So let's move on to the next and team number 3, Sanjay ji. Yep, and your question is, which Bayview event was the first to be announced on FM radio? Wow. And the options are Dr. Rahul Joshi fundraiser, Bayview Premier League, Shivamani Influence, and Prayas.
FM radio. It could be Shivamani or Prayas. I think we should take a 50. Let's do a 50-50. I'm not sure.
Okay, so let's go for 50-50. Okay.
Oh.
15 seconds, 10 seconds more. Yes. Let's see, Shivamani. Let's see. Absolutely right answer. Let's get 700 points.
Okay. Last minute बचा लिया. Last minute.
Wonderful. That's
my teamwork.
Yeah, great. Wonderful job done. And team 4 થઈ ગયા hai. Okay, all are done. So final question of this Rotary Club.
A little history behind it.
Yes.
So this was a fundraiser and past President Pradeep Kabra's year in 2012-13, and this was the first time Bayview event was publicized on FM radio.
That was wonderful. So you must have enjoyed this concert, right? Was it a fundraiser?
Yes, it was a fundraiser.
Wow, superb. And calling Shivamani and visual treat, it must be a visual treat as well as a treat for ears. Wonderful. Thank you. And audience poll. Let's see. Pradeep Bhai, you have not to raise the hand. Pradeep Kabra ji, you are a player. Yes. So let's see. Raise hands only after the 4 options. Which year was the Jalan Bayview Premier League held? 14-15, 9-10, 13-14, or 17-18? Now let's see who's Rajesh ji. You have raised the hands only after the options, so you can unmute yourself.
17-18.
17-18, and let's see if your option is right or wrong. Wrong answer. 13-14. Was it try or luck? Rajesh ji, ये try or luck था या you were confused?
No, it's probably before then.
Oh, okay. Great. Sorry, Rajesh ji. And let's move on.
Wait.
Yeah.
Smita ji.
It was a fundraiser where 10 lakh rupees were collected, and it was done in past President Rajesh Sheth's year.
Oh, great. Sorry, Smita. I'm too excited to move ahead in the last round.
I can see that.
The 8th round is the final round where we will decide the scores and the final winners. 800 points and general knowledge is the team. We are starting with team 4. Yasir ji.
Yeah, I'm here.
Great. So let's see. The question for team 4 of general knowledge. In Olympic archery, what is the color of the central ring of the target? Is it white, black, red, or yellow?
I go for 50-50.
Okay, so you are using your legs. Second 50-50. Wonderful.
I knew the answer, but I just wanted to be sure. It's D, yellow.
D, yellow. Smart playing by Captain Yasir. Let's see. Absolutely right answer. Zamir is there. Zamir is laughing and Zamir is excited. And she has bet with her daughter कि yellow ही है. So who won, your daughter or you? Okay, okay, somebody is there. I am not sure. Anyways, Samir, I will like you to unmute. I am looking at the fun you are having in your home. Please unmute yourself, Zamir.
I'm not going to unmute because my
Who's there with you?
My daughter's on another trip. Yeah. Please.
Okay. I cannot see. I am seeing partial things, so I am not sure. Okay, anyways, let's move on to the next team. Captain Tia, team number 1.
Ready.
Okay, which gulf will one have to cross to get to Diu from Daman? The options are Gulf of Manar, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Martaban, या Gulf of Hambat.
Well, first of all, let's do 50-50.
Okay, 50-50 again. Wonderful. And so we have options Kutch, या Khambat.
Was it ever spelled differently? Or is this the only spelling for it?
It's absolutely this.
D Khambat.
Okay, and D Khambat is absolutely right. Just in time, and you get it. Okay, so moving on to team 2. Are you there, sir?
Yes.
Yes. And your option. Question is, what is the original name of Valmiki? Options are Ratnakar, Divakar, Ravidas, या Prabhakar.
A. Ratnakar.
E. Ratnakar. Absolutely right answer. Wonderful job by Pawanji.
Boss, I should get bonus for not using Google.
For not using?
Not using Google.
Not using Google. Okay.
Yeah, I always gave the answer immediately.
Wonderful. Pawan ji के लिए एक ट्रॉफी बनाया जाए specially. No Google pen used by Pawan ji. Thank you, Pawan ji. And your teamwork is wonderful, right?
But Sushil bhai, one question.
Yes.
How do you know it's Google Ben and not Google Bhai?
सब बोलते हैं इसलिए.
अच्छा. I thought you discovered.
नहीं, I have not discovered. सब बोलते हैं Google Ben को पूछ लेते हैं. And all the male will say Google Ben and all the females will say Google Bhai. Okay. Team 3, Sanjay ji.
Yes, I'm on.
Great. So your question is, who was the first Indian cricketer to score a century in Test cricket for India?
Who was
Options
the
are
first Indian cricketer to score
Vijay
a
Hazare, Lala Amarnath, Vijay Merchant, या C.K. Naidu?
to score a century in the first test? Sure, Lala, it looks like Lala Amarnath. In the test cricket, huh?
Who was the first Indian
Lala
cricketer
Amarnath.
to score?
Lala Amarnath.
Lala Amarnath is what I heard, and absolutely right. Absolutely right that Lala Amarnath was the first Indian to score a century in Test cricket for India. Wonderful. And now, moving on to the audience. Last question for the audience. Chance to win. Zamir ji, ready rahiye. Sheetal, are you ready? Ketan ji. Tejal. Acha, Zamir ji is not allowed. Sorry, Zamir ji is not allowed. He has already given the answer. So let's see the question. You have to raise the hand only after the fourth option. Whose samadhi in Ahmedabad is called as Abhay Ghat? Is it Raj Gopalachari, Acharya Kriplani, Sardar Patel, or is it Morarji Desai? And Vimal ji has raised only after the fourth option. Vimal ji, please unmute yourself.
Sardar Patel.
Sardar Patel, let's see if it is right or wrong. Sheetal ji is nodding, it's not Sardar Patel. Morarji Desai. Sorry, Vimal ji, sorry very much. And that brings the end to this wonderful event. And let's see the scores. So now I would allow everybody to unmute themselves. And anybody would like to say anything? Kaun jitega?
Sushil bhai, you have another 3 questions for Rotary, I presume. So why don't you do with that for the audience?
Okay, so let me ask the difficult question.
The other 3 Rotary questions, and then you
Rotary
can announce
questions
the
are
score.
over. 15 Rotary
No,
questions.
we had given 13. 10 ही बोला.
नहीं, we had
अच्छा, हो गया,
5.
sir.
वो 3, 15 हो गया, 15.
Okay. Then
Yes,
fine.
yes.
Then I think Smita, how
Yes,
do you want to
Smita
take
ji.
this ahead? Smita?
So before declaring the scores, I would like to thank Jitin bhai and everybody in the committee. Thank you, President Smita Parekh, for allowing me to entertain and engage this wonderful group. And the idea was to also let the members know more about Rotary Club of Bombay Bayview. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, Sushil bhai. We await the scores. And friends, all of you all have I hope all of you all have got your hampers from Harsh's Kitchen. They are from Bayview. And we must all cut the cake. Do you all have the cake with you all right now? Can we please get it out? Let us all get it out, please.
I think we should get Jayesh to speak something first.
Yes. Jayesh? And Jayesh, are you there?
Jayesh and any other past, charter member, if they want to just hop in. Share some memories if you have.
But restrict the time limit.
Sorry?
Restrict the time limit. Otherwise,
5 minutes still, not that it will be endless, of course.
तो मेरी आवाज सुनो.
Jayesh bhai. He's restricted himself totally.
Very good.
Let me check Jayesh bhai hai ki nahi. Jayesh Vidani is there already. He's here in the room. Maybe for a loo break we can move to next and then come
Darshan
back.
wants to say something.
Yeah.
Vidani is gone to get the cake, so I think
Yeah.
Jayesh and Sheetal are on that one. There. Sheetal is come. Sheetal, where's Jayesh?
He's coming.
Okay, till he comes. In the first year itself, when the Bayview was formed, we had our overnighter at Prakriti Resort, and 90% of the club members were present, and we had a super time.
Yes, I remember. That was our first
Overnighter.
day picnic, no? No,
It was an overnighter.
Okay.
And I had organized, so I remember it.
Your baby was only 40 days old that time.
Sheetal knows it well.
Okay, now you have to.
Bayview was only 40 days old. Jayesh bhai, kai bolo bhai, please. It's important to talk. Come on, Jayesh. Very good.
Jayesh bhai, before the cake cutting, you need to speak something as past president.
He's on mute.
I think I'm very happy that Smita has taken up this project to support the nurse. Just yesterday, I was listening to Devi Shetty, and he was saying the nurses are playing a very, very big role in this. I request each member this time to at least try and get 50 into 600. I mean, this next month, we must really make an impact and do a lot. Let's all be generous and let's work towards getting our friends, relatives, NRIs to participate in the crowdfunding. This is my only request. And Anyway, happy birthday to all of us.
Jitin bhai, also request you to send the link for contribution. We can circulate in our group.
Sure, we'll do that.
Smita ji, you're on mute.
Yes. So, friends, let us do a little cake cutting for our club, and also a very happy birthday to our members Rachna Mehta and Dhrumal Parikh, and a very happy anniversary to Dinesh and Sarita Sabu. So, a little celebration. I also have my cake here with me. Let us have a cake and let us have a bite of it and rejoice being together, being us, and being part of Bayview. Proud to be a Bayview White.
Thank you.
So let's give a countdown. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
तू है आसमां में तेरी ये ज़मीन.
We ended at Rajawadi cancelled. We get DK.
Jitin and team, superb work, superb fellowship. Excellent.
Yes, Darshan bhai, you're also part of the team.
Yeah, but for this, I was out of the team.
We kept you out from this because it was for the charter member and past
Thanks a
president.
lot,
So we
Jitin.
kept
Thank
you
you.
out.
Great job, so super.
Thank
Very
you.
interesting.
What?
Yeah, Akkalo, Piccolo,
Have you
Ticcolo.
done?
किसका है
Smita,
भाई?
you forgot the sunshine collection. Smita, sunshine collection today.
Yes,
Yeah,
Sunshine Collection. I'm putting the Razorpay link on the group. So, anyone wants to contribute, please do so.
Dinesh bhai.
ये वही nurse का.
Oh, just you're mad or what? Chalo,
Yeah,
bye.
sir.
Are we done?
Yes, we're waiting for the results.
Okay.
Scores
Take
on
care.
the screen.
God bless. Bye bye.
Wait the scores.
Waiting for the scores.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So team 1, 3,400, team 2, 3,400, and
Awesome
team
team.
4 are winners with 3,600.
Cheating.
Why cheating?
My dad has given all the answers to Yasser uncle over WhatsApp.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you're
Fourth
listening to her. You listen to her.
I'm sure you
Nonsense.
answer.
Nonsense.
Okay, so
Sir, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
For
You
cheating.
deserved it. You deserved it. Your team was the best.
Yeah, we thank you. Teamwork, man.
Congratulations, Yasser. Well done.
Total teamwork. Thanks to Kunal. Thanks to Kavita. Thanks to Dinesh. All of
And
them
Zamir.
put in there. Thank you.
And Zamir's father. And Zamir's father.
That is to be ignored. That is to be ignored.
Congratulations, Yasir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats, Yasir and team. Good work.
Done.
Congratulations.
We are going now.
But the
Bye-bye.
results were quite close, Sanjay.
Absolutely, man.
Everybody is on at par.
Wherever
Maybe only that
RCB
one
is,
round
it's
of
always close.
three.
Birthday
Those
to
four
Jay
teams didn't, three teams didn't get it. Nor else it would have been a tie.
You got it.
So in,
Good, good
in
work.
one round, the second round of Rotary Club, there was a little issue. I think in one round, it was that only one team got the points, the fourth team, and that is the lead of 200.
Chalo, by the way, Bayview, congratulations. Many more years to go. And I think our club is doing a great job. Thanks to all the charter members who are taking it forward. Sanjay, Yasir, everybody, Jayesh, Pawan. Great work, guys.
Yeah, congratulations.
Darshan,
for making
congratulations.
Thank you for the inception of Bayview, man.
Yeah, I agree with
Yes,
Manish.
भाई सुनील भाई नेक्स्ट ईयर ने प्रेसिडेंसी प्ले लो તમે
हाँ बरोबर છે बरोबर છે हाँ बरोबर છે
बरोबर है ईमान भाई ईमान का बात
इतने पूरे सुनील जी इतने पूरे
Bye, good night.
પહેલી વાર હેમાંગ સાચું બોલ્યો.
Good night. Sunil, if you can take it today, announce it today. It's a very auspicious day, boss.
Auspicious day. Sunil is the next president.
From tomorrow, we are going to be an adult, yeah.
Karthik bhai, good night, sir.
Night are always good whenever such an announcement are made.
Karthik, minute it.
We are coming out of our teens, now you take it up.
बोलो.
हाँ बोलने की देरी है यार क्या?
Jayesh,
Silent is yes only.
you are on
Silent is
mute.
yes
You are
only.
on mute.
Jayesh, you are on mute.
Jayesh, you are on mute.
I'll be doing.
Guys, if you are going to joke about being a president, who think in future is going to take up this presidentship? Karthik.
Jayesh, एक मिनट.
Some
Sabuji was
Sanjay,
making some
Sanjay,
commitments. Jayesh, wait. Sabuji is making some commitments. बोलो Sabuji.
2 nurses, I'll be doing it.
You'll be doing 2 nurses or meals for them. Sabuji यार ये उम्र में तुम वो सोच के बोलो यार.
वाह दिनेश बाबू
आपकी एनिवर्सरी है साबूजी.
साबू जी आज का दिन जाने दीजिए, कल से करिए जो भी करना है.
Dr. Sabu, the profession continues. 2 nurses.